In this video, we'll provide you instructions on how to make a business entity tax estimate payment using WebPay. The first step is to navigate to Franchise Tax Board's website at www.ftb.ca.gov. From the Franchise Tax Board landing page, on the top navigation ribbon, select the Pay link. On the Pay page, on the Make a Payment section, select the Bank Account button. On the Pay by Bank Account page, WebPay, click on Use WebPay Business button. You'll arrive at the Login for Business page. In the Input field, select the entity type. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Entity and Contact Information page. In the Input fields, enter your first name, middle initial if applicable, and last name. This will bring you to the Tax Return Form Number page. Choose the tax form you filed or will file to ensure the proper posting of your payment. Click Continue. You'll arrive at the Payment Type page. Select Estimated Tax Payment Radio button and click Continue. On the Payment Information page, select the account period beginning and ending date. Then click Add an Estimated Tax Payment. Now enter the payment details. The amount must be in whole dollars, and the payment date must be today's date or a future date that does not exceed a year. Click Continue. You may schedule up to 4 estimated tax payments per session, allowing you to schedule future quarterly estimated payments for the entire tax year. When done entering the estimated tax payment, click Continue. Enter your routing number and account number. After you re-enter your account number, select whether it is a checking or savings account and then click Continue. You'll arrive at the Review Your Request page. Take a moment to verify all your information is correct. You'll also have the option to enter your telephone number. If you would like an email confirmation that your payment request has been received, please enter your email address in the Email Address field. Please re-enter your email address. To complete your request, check the Payment Authorization box. Finally, you'll see the Payment Scheduled page, which includes your payment information. Remember, this indicates your payment request but does not serve as proof of payment. Allow up to 2 business days from the payment date for your bank account to reflect your payment. Thank you for watching how to make a business estimated tax payment using WebPay. For more information and assistance, visit ftb.ca.gov.